Hey John, how's it going? I've got your snowblower here, and there's a cap here. It's all cracked, so that is broke. I have your carburetor off. Cool thing about this is it's a float bowl carburetor, so don't have to worry about diaphragms going bad. But there must be something up in here that's restricting fuel flow. So that's where it goes right there. Got a couple, well, I got that one cover off right there that covers this backside. So you got cap, carburetor soaking right now, and hopefully whatever's blockage is in there will get cleared shortly. There was a lot of kind of tar stuff in the float bowl. It was pretty nasty. Not going to take it out now, but it was pretty bad. This fuel line should definitely be replaced. See, it goes up there to the tank. And that's where it comes out at the bottom. So this whole line is very dry rotted. It's cracking, and I'm surprised it's holding fuel. Your switch is bad right here, so that doesn't turn at all. If you want me to, I can just like rig up another switch, maybe this one. I got this sitting around in the shop that you could do, or I could order one specifically for this machine. But this one right here works. Just gotta redo the wiring a little bit. See, this one turns just for on and off purposes. That's all you need. And see, this one here, it doesn't have any action. It doesn't turn at all, and it actually. It was all busted apart. This stuff just kind of like fell out of the bottom, which is part of the switch there. Right there, that's the bottom side of it. It's all just yanked out. And here's where it was supposed to plug in, and then into here, and then it somehow attaches onto this and goes up in there. Anyway, that's bad. This hose also, this is like this goes up to the primer bulb right there. That could probably still work. Try to get away with using that if I can. But so now it's just a matter of letting this soak and getting it nice and clean inside and out, reinstalling it. Let me know if you want the standard switch that goes with this. It's going to cost you more than if I just rig this up someplace, and so you can just go on and off. Also with this, looks like this pull cord's about to go. It's getting pretty thin right in that area. Right there. It's probably been rubbed up against this piece of metal right here over the years. Anyways, I'll probably just pull that out and pull it through a little more. Pull it through the handle and retie it off. Put a new knot in it so it doesn't break on you, because that will suck. You know it'll happen. So anyways, a couple more days on this probably to get it back to you.